Hi dear friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trading with the Bollinger Band indicator and try and make very good profit today. So with the help of this indicator, I try and hit my goal for today, which is around $10,000. I try and overclock my deposit of $51, and hopefully I'm able to hit my goal by the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch until the end to see if I hit my goal. But as well as using the Bollinger Band indicator, I'll mainly carry out technical analysis as I always do in order to avoid errors, because sometimes indicators give errors. And also I'm asking you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. So I left a link under this video. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. Join my private chat, ask all your questions, interact with the other members of the group, and also use my trading signals to make very good profit on your own. It will be quite useful for you to join this private chat. And also don't forget to support this channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So let me find my first entry point. Here you can see that an uptrend is relevant here, and now the price entered a sideways trend. In such a case, it usually enters into a trade from one of the channel limits on the price movement in the opposite direction. And as we can see in the last trades, the price traded from the lower limit and showed growth. So maybe now the case may repeat itself. So as soon as the chart comes to the lower limit, I'm going to open a trade for a price raise for a minute. So this is awesome. The price gradually began to go up and I was able to make very good profit from this first trade. So let me find my next entry point. So here you can see that the chart updated the maximum and is gradually going up. At the same time, it moves in the upper zone of the price channel. You can see that after a slight pullback on the new green candlestick, I'm going to open another trade and continue this trade. So this is excellent. The chart updates the maximum and moves near the upper border of the channel, and my trade was able to close in a plus. So here you can see that the price is adjusted again to the middle line of the price channel, and then it bought off. As you can see, the chart has been moving quite clearly in the upper zone for several minutes. Therefore, I think that the price will continue to grow here. So here I'm going to open a trade for $174 for a raise. I'm going to choose 2 minutes for the trade time, so that in case of a correction, this chart will have enough time to go beyond our entry point. So this is quite good. The chart was able to continue up and I was able to close this trade in a plus. So let me go on. So here you can see that the price moved in a bearish trend, but from the last low, it began to actively buy off. You can also see that we had an intersection of the moving average chart from bottom to top, and the price is held on this line. You can see that all these points to continued price growth. So after a slight correction, you can see that green candlesticks have appeared on the chart again, and I think that this is a great moment to open a trade for a rise. So as you can see, the longer green candlesticks appear on the chart. The price is showing very good growth here, and I was able to make very good profit from this trade. So far I've already managed to increase my deposit more than 10 times. So let me go on. So here, as you can see, the price is still in the upper zone of the channel, but now it is moving flat. I think that the market is strong enough and the price is likely to continue its growth. Therefore, here I'm going to open a trade for the amount of the entire deposit for a raise for 2 minutes. So this is great. The price gradually continues to go up and I made very good money on this. So as you can see, the price was moving quite predictably lately. The chart is located in the upper zone of the Bollinger channel and gradually goes up. So here I want to open a trade for the continuation of the trend, and I'll try and choose the lower point on the chart. So during this trade, the price managed to test the middle line, then updated the maximum and tested the upper limit. Thus, I was able to take a good upward movement from here and make very good profit. So let me go on. So here you can see that the chart breaks through the moving average of the indicator and tests the lower boundary of the channel. So this may indicate, if not a trend change, then it's fading. The price is likely to adjust even more here, and since several candlesticks have already closed below the midline, I'm going to open a trade for price drop here. So as a result, I was able to make very good profit from this trade. So let me find my next entry point. So here I noted the support level, which keeps the price from falling further well. Last time you can see that the price went up from this level with an impulse, and in the zone of the past highs, it met its resistance and began to adjust. The chart crossed the middle line from top to bottom, which also indicates an upcoming correction. You can see that there is still some long distance to the support level where the price can potentially fall. Therefore, I'm going to open a trade down for $1,000. So this is excellent. The price shows a strong decline and does not reach the marked level a little. That's how I was able to close this trade in a plus. So here you can see the new maximum on the chart turned out to be much lower than the previous one. Also, the price broke through the middle line of the indicator from top to bottom with an impulse. Therefore, I'm going to open a trade for $2,000 for a fall because I think there'll be further price drop to the level of support. So this is interesting. You can see that there was a slight decrease per minute and I was able to make very good profit on this trade. My deposit has increased to almost 100 times from the initial amount. So let me find my next entry point. So here I can see that the price periodically makes impulsive bounces up from the support level, then gradually decreases towards it. As you can see, the price trade from the support level last time, but grew noticeably less. There is still a long distance to reach the level of the latest high where the price can rise, and since the chart is in the upper zone of the price channel, I am going to open a trade for a price raise for 3 minutes. So here the chart continued its growth and I was able to take a good upward movement and make very good profit on it. So let me find my next entry point. In this situation, the chart broke through the resistance level and the price continues to move into the upper zone of the price channel. So all this suggests that the market is very strong. So there is a high probability that the price increase will continue. Therefore, on a slight slowdown in the price, I'm going to open a trade for $3,000 on the continuation of the trend. This is excellent. The chart continues to move in the upper zone of the channel and updates the previous maximum. Thus, I was able to close my trade in a plus. As you can see, I already have now $11,000 in my deposit, so I'd like to stop here for today. So as you saw, today's trades were quite awesome. I was able to hit my goal for today, as you saw. So this Bollinger Band indicator is quite useful in your trades, but as I always emphasize, carry out technical analysis first before you use indicator signals in order to avoid errors. If you have any questions concerning today's trades, I'm ready and willing to answer all your questions in my private chat in Telegram channel. So if you'd like to join my private chat in Telegram channel, go under this video. There is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using the username. Join my private chat, ask all your questions, interact with the other members of the group, use my trading signals and also learn more about binary trading. And also don't forget to support this channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching and good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.